This is Joe. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The block's geometry selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The block's body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the block's complete 12-character set now.
What's going on, everyone? We got the Jones rig loaded up. I'm going to drop in the Jordan idol to begin, and it's not looking too shabby to start things off. Now, Jones is a big dude, and the obvious feeling that I'm getting right from the get-go is bodybuilding vibes. So let's do some basic reposing. He's got to feel big and buffed, and right now, he's off to a good start. So the more I'm looking at this animation, the more I'm feeling like he's on stage in front of a crowd, probably a bodybuilding competition. So let's play up this type of performance. Let's tweak the head motion. We'll give his legs a wider stance and rotate his torso back. And we are starting to feel his presence on stage at, you guessed it, the Arnold Open. Next up, we'll continue working the arms to get that flex as he's looking into the crowd. So the idea is that he's flexing to the side crowd. That's our screen, right? Then he looks back to the middle crowd to relax the muscles, take a little break. We'll give him a cool pose with his head up high to say, I got the look kind of vibe. And that's it. I think we're making some pretty good progress. So when they say it's all about the flex, well, it really is all about the flex. So I'm continuing to tweak the arms. Now, to sell this flex even more and to give Jones more muscle mass and power as he poses, I'm going to use me some squash and stretch, and I'm going to do it on the pelvis. Bet you didn't see that one coming. When it's added correctly, it really, really sells his performance. So I'm going to be using every part of his body to accentuate the muscle contraction that a bodybuilder would typically get when striking a cool pose, which means the legs will get a little shake. And with the hands, well, we're going to keep them nice and relaxed when he's facing the center crowd. But when he turns to the side to put on the show, we will clench the fists together with a bit of added rotation to really feel like he's flexing as hard as he can. All right, we made it. Final tweaks on Jones as I refine his hands and tighten up the performance. He's definitely got the flex and the right attitude to hopefully pull off a win in the Arnold Open. And that, my friends, is how I magically transform Jordan's idol into a fresh new Jones idol. Five idols completed, 7 more to go as we continue this series reusing Jordan's idol and magically transforming it into brand new idols. Now, if you're enjoying the content on the channel and you want to show your support and be a part of the fun, you can share this video on your social media. You can give it a thumbs up, or even better, you can leave a comment below. And by doing the above, you'll help boost the channel's visibility and, more importantly, spread the love and joy of animation to more viewers. I mean it when I say it, that your support and engagement really makes a difference. Lastly, the blocks available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. Awesome rigs to improve your body mechanics. Incredibly simple to use, easy to customize, and super fun to animate. You can visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the blocks complete 12-character set. My name is Jonathan Abbenheim. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.